first aid kit that I bought from my house. This is by Swiss Aid. It has 248 items in it. And the first thing I noticed about this case when I got it out was how tough the actual case is. This is a waterproof case for it. Oh, wow. I could use a swallow stop, but I'm big bad with the case. It's got two sides, which I recommend to buy really well because it means you can actually see everything inside the case so easily. So I'm going to open the first side to show you what's inside the case. But sometimes the case is fake enough for you down for them to do really a bunch of junk. But this one has really useful thing past. Okay, so we've got a glow stick, emergency glow stick. These get a little bit of antiseptic wipes. We've got a ton of band-aids. So this is band-aids, that's band-aids, that's band-aids, that's band-aids. Here are some more antiseptic wipes. You really can't have too many of these. So I'm fine with having that many. Then we have some gauze. You get more serious injuries. There's some gauze there. Is gloves in case you need to be helping someone so that you're not giving blood on your own hands as you're doing yourself. Two pairs of gloves in there. Nice. And then we have medical tears. On the other side of the case, so you just close that up, click that shut, clean it out of the back, fine. On the other side of the case, okay, that is going in my bike bag. That one fight eyes for my bike. For a little tiny first aid kit from my bike bag, there's some gauze, there's some tape, and there's some bandages and some cleaning pads in there. So, you know, if I get some, and the tweezers too. So if I get stuck out of the trail and I need to manage myself up, I've got something with me. So that, and fight me on my bike, and that comes in this pack as well. We got an ice trap, that's always a useful thing, an emergency blanket. So if you're cold, this is, and there's a huge gauze head. So we've got some with skits. Everybody's splitting fingers. Some more gauze. Sterile swabs. This is another type of band-aid. It got Q-tips in here. Oh, that's nice. It comes with the dessert for cutting the gauze. Super, super nice. We've got a notepad in here. And this shows you how to use the different supplies in the first aid kit. Very nice. We have triangular bandages. This was for doing a quick splint or a wrap of a head or a larger area. And then this is, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is, looks like this is a figure. So there we go. Very well stocked, very thorough first aid kit. Now I want you to know that there are no medicines in here. This is strictly a first aid kit that is meant for injuries. It's not that the have like aspirin or Tylenol or anything like that in it. It's just injury treating first aid kit. But for that, it's very thorough. I'm gonna keep it because I house. I'm putting this little guy in my bike pouch for minor injuries while I'm biking. And I'm very, very pleased with this purchase.